Here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. So it's just a piece of salmon with some mashed potatoes and some green beans. And I just did this little kind of garnish on the top. Just some basil leaves and a cherry tomato from my garden. And the sauce that I have on there is, it's called this Renee's cucumber and dill. If you've never tried this, you should try it. It's very good, and you can use it on so many different things. You can put it on salad. I put it on the salmon here, and you can do like veggies and dip with it, and it's really good. And you can also do like salmon with lemon juice, with a slice of lemon or whatever. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Good. So I just wanted to show you how big my basil plant got, and I got it from the Dollarama. It needs to be picked. I'm going to make some of my pesto sauce, but it's hard to kind of see, but it is pretty big. We're having a pizza party, and you're invited. Woohoo! Tonight is leftover pizza. We did pizza the other night, takeout pizza from Little Caesars, and it came, and we did like a value deal kind of thing. So this is the pizza that was left over. It was supposed to be pepperoni pizza, but it doesn't look like there's any pepperoni on it. So we went and bought some pepperoni at Walmart, and we're going to put some pepperoni on here. And I also had some green pepper and little cherry tomatoes from our garden. Yes, we still have veggies coming out of our garden still. I mean, it's pretty much over now, but there was still some left over, which is awesome. So we're going to put that onto the pizza. And I also chopped up some green olives to put on, as well as the pepperoni. And then it also came like with the Italian cheese bread. If you've never had this at Little Caesars, it's awesome. And then this was the other pizza that came, was 3-meat pizza. So, and I've got the oven heating up to 350, and I'm going to put this stuff on. So I'll be right back. Here's what the pizza looks like now after I put on the fresh green pepper, pepperoni, little cherry tomatoes from our garden as well, and some green olives. And like I said, I'm going to reheat this at the 350 in my oven. And let me know down below. I'd love to hear what kind of toppings do you like on your pizza. I'd love to hear. If you'd like, and just let me know down below, or maybe you don't even like pizza at all. But anyways, and let me know what chain of pizzas do you like? Like, do you like Pizza Hut? Do you like Little Caesars? Do you like Domino's? That kind of thing. If you've had an authentic Italian pizza, let me know too. I'd love to hear that because they're amazing. Well, here we go, my darlings. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Pizza from Little Caesars. That was supposed to be pepperoni pizza, but I don't think there was pepperonis on it. I think it was accidentally forgot, so I bought some pepperonis. The pepper and the little cherry tomatoes are from our garden. And yes, we're still getting a few veggies from our garden. And I chopped up some olives, and this here is the Italian herb cheese bread that they have. It's really good. So thank you for joining me here on What's for Dinner Tonight. I hope you guys are all having a great meal yourself. And remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Thank you so much. Toodaloo, and happy pizza eating. Happy eating. Woohoo! Toodles. Toodaloo. Thank you.